universe is not peaceful. Some places are built only for destruction.
Far beyond Earth, violence exists on a scale we cannot imagine. Neutron stars are the densest objects ever discovered. Their gravity is so powerful, it warps space itself. Nothing nearby can escape their pull. When they collide, the universe feels it. This single moment releases more energy than entire galaxies. A gamma-ray burst, Mamlet, the deadliest explosion known. Anything in its path is instantly destroyed. But even this is not the most violent place. Black holes consume stars without mercy. Once a star gets close, there is no escape. It is ripped apart, atom by atom. This is the point of no return. Not even light survives here. This is the most violent place in the universe.
The universe continues, unaware.
And we are very small.
Like the video and subscribe to Cosmonex for more space beyond imagination.